Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the new inventory update in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so if we go to the inventory, we can see that it's completely redone. Everything is different, and I'm going to be talking about why it's set up this way. So, the first 3 are legendaries, and then it goes 2 epics and a legendary. I at first thought that this was weird because why did they not have all the legendaries going first? But that is because they now have the heart bonuses at the bottom, which is very good, and that means that these are set up by their power bonus. So the Titan power set, or Titan power helm 355, Mirror's Hood 352, Duelist helm 345, so it goes by their power now. This also means that my hat ranking is wrong, because some of them I didn't mind, or I didn't bother looking at, but they actually are better than I thought they were, so sorry about that. But yeah, we can just go down the list, and some of these are pretty surprising to look at. And then if we go to the armor, we can see defense bonus, and we can look at those. So I will be showing what a hacked account looks like. Here's the wands, so does the power bonus and the spell. So this is going to make it a lot more convenient for me to do this one thing that I'm planning to do. And then we can see all of the best wands, and the relics are set up nicely. So they do it by, so first they have all the ancient ones, and they start with the astral one, which I guess is the most used, or does the most power or something. So, and then they have the plant, water, storm, ice, and fire. So that makes it a lot more organized, and then we can go over to boots, and it's set up the same way. Buddies are set up from newest to oldest now, which is surprising. Actually, it's not even set up from newest to oldest. I don't think so, because yeah, this is not how I got my pets in the order. But if we go up, so we have the Winterfest, shop pets, more shop pets, Sparkles, this is not a shop pet. It might be by rarity, I don't know. And then we have Chillin' Char here. Don't know why Chillin' Char is there. We keep going up. And yeah, it's kind of set up weird. I really wish that they put all of these pets together. That would have been a lot nicer. So I don't really like how this is set up, because before it was really easy to navigate, because you knew when you had gotten stuff, but now that's messed up. So yeah. Oh, it's by what its number is in the CDN. And then we go to items, it's the same way. So this is number 1 in the CDM. Currency, not sure what this is set up by. And then mounts, newest to oldest. So yeah, this is a pretty good update. Now I'm going to go into a hacked account. And also, I noticed this earlier, this hat looks a lot different from what I remember. Alright, so here we are on a hacked account, and we can now see what the best of everything is. So yeah. I didn't put this on my top 10, nor did I put this. But yeah, there's that. Then we have this Triumph yeah, it is 324. So yeah, I did do a decent job on this. I did not know this had a power bonus of defense of 299. Not sure why. Oh, because that one doesn't have yeah, some of these ones do not have power bonuses. So we can see the most powerful ones that I messed up on, maybe? No, I did not actually. And then we go over to relics. They're set up as usual. This is how the boots are. Titan Lancers, 285. And then we go to buddies. We can see Murahawk is here. So yeah, it is set up by their number in the CDN. Then we go to items. Yeah, same. Currency, CDN, I guess, and then mounts is the exact same. And then there is also one final update that I want to show you guys. So this has to do with the merchants. So if I go to Firefly Forest, there is a new skin for the merchant. Now there is a problem with this. If we click on him, he doesn't have a hitbox, meaning that, okay, well, his hitbox must be really small because I was not able to get in and click on him on my main account. That could just be my account issue. But okay, now it's working. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. I will show you all of the guys just so you can see them. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video, as I said. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here is the Skywatch one. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll just show you these final ones. Just gonna check because the Skywatch one, yeah, it still hasn't been updated. And bye.